Contrary to popular belief, cold weather does not necessarily signal the end to roofing season. If you've been hired for a repair or installation during the winter, you'll find a number of resources on our blog about fall prevention and how to prepare a safe work surface. This video will specifically cover the extra precautions that will need to be made during preparation, product handling, and installation. Be forewarned, it's going to take a little more care than you're used to. First thing to note is that asphalt shingles behave differently in cold weather. As temperatures approach freezing, standard asphalt shingles will become brittle and more prone to breakage. Some roofers prefer polymer-modified shingles, which tend to be more flexible in most temperature ranges. However, at some point, cold weather affects even these. As well, if the bundles have been improperly protected from recent precipitation, you may face the headache of bundles freezing together. To prevent these issues, store them properly, preferably in temperatures higher than 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend storing them off the ground, stacked flat, to ensure they don't deform. Lastly, place a waterproof cover over them for further protection. When it's time, retrieve your shingles only just before you need them. Do not keep them exposed to the outside elements for longer than you have to. When it comes to hip and ridge caps installations, this minimum temperature may not cut it. Luckily, IKO offers a line of preformed, pre-cut ridge cap shingles that require no cutting or folding. Naturally, snow and ice will also need to be dealt with before even attempting work. Exercise extra caution if conditions are slippery from melting ice and snow. Regardless of the season, the attic cavity should be properly ventilated before you begin. It's no fun to work in the winter, but sometimes it's completely necessary. Work carefully and expect the job to take longer than it would have in the warmer seasons. Another step to remember, depending on the home's location, you may need an ice and water protector when applying your underlayment. These special products are applied under shingles to prevent water penetration due to ice dams or wind-driven rain. In addition to protection along the eaves, it is useful when creating a watertight seal around chimneys, vent stacks, and other rooftop structures. When you begin securing the shingles, just like every other part of the process, this too comes with extra special precautions. Normally, IKO's shingle adhesive is heat activated by the sun, so it may not occur until the roof experiences sufficient warm sunlight. But rest assured, there's a way to prevent them from blowing off. After placing each shingle, nail it down with 6 nails instead of the regular 4. Once in place, gently lift the edge and apply 3 evenly spaced, quarter-sized spots of roofing cement. It's also important to remember some proper handling techniques for nail guns. There's a good chance it could seize in the cold weather, and there's an even better chance that you can blow through the cold shingles, especially if they are not laying perfectly flat on the roof deck. Adjust the pressure on your nail gun accordingly to bypass this common pitfall. Always follow your shingles manufacturer's instructions for cold weather application, paying close attention to your region's building codes. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Just remember that above all, to never put your work before personal safety. Finishing a job isn't worth risking a life, so please be sure to respect the limits Mother Nature may impose while abiding by proper industry safety requirements. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you're looking to learn more from the experts at IKO, please like this page and follow us for more great content.